Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a travel app using Flutter and Hive as the local database is a great way to manage your app state and persistent data storage. Hive is a lightweight and fast key-value database written in pure Dart, making it an excellent choice for Flutter applications. In this tutorial, we will cover the following. 1. Setting up your Flutter environment. 2. Adding dependencies. 3. Creating a Hive model. 4. Initializing Hive. 5. CRUD operations. 6. Displaying data in a list view. Step 1. Setting up your Flutter environment. Make sure you have Flutter installed on your computer. You can follow the official Flutter installation guide, https://flutter.dev/docs/get-started/install. Step 2. Adding dependencies. First, create a new Flutter project. Bash Flutter create travel_app. cd travel_app. Then open pubspec.yaml and add the Hive dependencies. YAML. Dependencies. Flutter. SDK, Flutter. Hive, 2.0.0. Hive_Flutter, 1.0.0. Path_provider, 2.0.0. Run Flutter pub-get to install the new packages. Step 3. Creating a Hive model. Create a new Dart file named travel.dart in the lib directory for your model. Dart. Import package hive/hive.dart. Part travel.g.dart. Add Hive type, type ID, 0. Class travel. Add Hive field, 0. Final string destination. Add Hive field, 1. Final string description. Travel, required this. Destination, required this. Description. Run the following command to generate the adapter. Bash. Flutter packages pub run build_runner build. Step 4, initializing Hive. You need to initialize Hive in your main application file. Open main.dart and update it as follows. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Import package hive_flutter/hive_flutter.dart. Import travel.dart. Void main, async. Await hive.init flutter. Hive.register adapter, travel adapter. Await hive.openbox travel, travel box. Run app, my app. Class myApp extends stateless widget. At override. Widget build, build context. Return material app. Title, travel app. Theme, theme data. Primary swatch, colors.blue. Home, travel list screen. Step 5, CRUD operations. Let's create a screen where we can add and display our travel destinations. Create a new file named travel_list_screen.dart. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Import package hive/hive.dart. Import travel.dart. Class travel list screen extends stateful widget. At override. Travel list screen state create a state equals travel list screen state. Class travel list screen state extends state travel list screen. Final box travel box equals hive.box travel box. Final text editing controller destination controller equals text editing controller. Final text editing controller description controller equals text editing controller. Void_add travel. Final string destination equals destination controller.text. Final string description equals description controller.text. If destination.isNotEmpty and description.isNotEmpty. Final travel equals travel, destination, destination, description, description. Travelbox.add, travel. Destination controller.clear. Description controller.clear. Set state. Void _ delete travel, int index. Travelbox.deleted, index. Set state. Add override. Widget build, build context. Return scaffold. Appbar, appbar. Title, text, travel destinations. Body, column. Children. Padding. Padding, const edge insets.all, 16.0. Child, text field. Controller, destination controller. Decoration, input decoration, label text, destination. Padding. Padding, const edge insets.all, 16.0. Child, text field. Controller, description controller. Decoration, input decoration, label text, description. Elevated button. Unpressed, _add travel. Child, text, add travel. Expanded. Child, value listenable builder box travel. Value listenable, travelbox.listenable. Builder, context, box, _. Final travels equals box.values.toList. Return listview.builder. Item count, travels.length. Item builder, context, index. Final travel equals travels index. Return card. Child, list tile. Title, text, travel.destination. Subtitle, text, travel.description. Trailing, icon button. Icon, icons.delete. Unpressed, equals _delete travel, index. Step 6, running your app. After completing the code, run your Flutter app using the command bash flutter run. Summary. In this tutorial, we built a simple travel app using Flutter and Hive. We created a model for travel destinations, set up Hive for local storage, and implemented basic CRUD operations to add and delete travel entries. This basic structure can be further enhanced with additional features such as editing entries, filtering, or integrating an API for travel suggestions. Feel free to expand on this foundation by adding more features, improving the UI, or integrating with other services. Happy coding! Creating a travel app using Flutter and Hive for local storage can be a fun and rewarding project. Hive is a lightweight and fast NoSQL database that can be easily integrated into Flutter applications. In this tutorial, we'll create a basic travel app that allows users to save their favorite travel destinations. Prerequisites. Basic knowledge of Flutter and Dart. Flutter SDK installed on your machine. An IDE such as Visual Studio Code or Android Studio. Step 1. Setting up your Flutter project. 1. Create a new Flutter project. Bash Flutter create travel_app. cd travel_app. 2. Add dependencies. Open pubspec.yaml and add the Hive dependencies. YAML. Dependencies. Flutter. SDK, Flutter. Hive, 2.2.1. Hive_Flutter, 1.1.0. Dev_dependencies. Hive_generator, 1.1.0. Build_runner, 2.1.7. 3. Install the dependencies. Bash Flutter pub get. Step 2, initialize Hive. 1. Initialize Hive, open main.dart and initialize Hive in the main function. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Import package hive_flutter/hive_flutter.dart. Void main, async. Await hive.init flutter. Run app, myapp. Class myapp extends stateless widget. At override. Widget build, build context. Return material app. Title, travel app. Home screen. Step 3, create a model for travel destinations. 1. Define a travel destination model, create a new file called travel_destination.dart. Dart. Import package hive/hive.dart. Part travel_destination.g.dart. Add Hive type ID, 0. Class travel destination. Add Hive field, 0. Final string name. Add Hive field, 1. Final string description. Add Hive field, 2. Final string image URL. Travel destination, required this.name, required this.description, required this.image URL. To generate type adapter, run the following command to generate the adapter for your model. Bash. Flutter pub run build_runner build. Step 4, create the home screen. 1. Create the home screen, in main.dart, create a home screen widget that displays a list of travel destinations. Dart. Class home screen extends stateless widget. Final box travel destination box equals hive.box travel destination, destinations. At override. Widget build, build context. Return scaffold. Appbar, title, text, travel destinations. Body, value listenable builder. Value listenable, destination box.listenable. Builder, context, box travel destination box, underscore. If, box.is empty. Return center, child, text, no destinations added yet. Return listview.builder. Item count, box.length. Item builder, context, index. Travel destination. Destination equals box.getAt, index. Return list tile. Title, text, destination, name. Subtitle, text, destination, description. Leading, image.network, destination, image URL. Floating action button, On pressed. / navigate to add destination screen. Child, icon, icons.add. Step 5, create the add destination screen. 1. Create a new file called add_destination.dart. Dart. Import package flutter/material.dart. Import package hive/hive.dart. Import travel_destination.dart. Class add destination screen extends stateless widget. Final text editing controller name controller equals text editing controller. Final text editing controller description controller equals text editing controller. Final text editing controller image URL controller equals text editing controller. Final box travel destination box equals hive.box travel destination, destinations. At override. Widget build, build context. Return scaffold. Appbar, title, text, add destination. Body, padding, const edge insets.all, 16.0. Child, column. Children. Text field. Controller, name controller. Decoration, input decoration, label text, destination name. Text field. Controller, description controller. Decoration, input decoration, label text, description. Text field. Controller, image URL controller. Decoration, input decoration, label text, image URL. Sized box, height, 20. Elevated button. Unpressed. Final destination equals travel destination. Name, name controller.text. Description, description controller.text. Image URL, image URL controller.text. Destination box.add, destination. Navigator.pop, context. Child, text, add destination. To navigate to the add destination screen, update the unpressed method of the floating action button in home screen to navigate to add destination screen. Dart. Floating action button, floating action button. Unpressed. Navigator.push. Context. Material page root, builder, context, equals add destination screen. Child, icon, icons.add. Step 6, run the app. 1. Open your terminal and run the app. Bash. Flutter run. Conclusion. You now have a simple travel app that allows users to add and view their favorite travel destinations using Hive for local storage. This tutorial can serve as a foundation for building more complex features, such as editing and deleting destinations, or integrating a remote database for syncing. Next steps. Implement editing and deleting functionality for travel destinations. Improve the UI with better styling and layouts. Explore how to integrate a remote database for syncing user data across devices. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further clarification on any part.